Hi guys, good morning. So today my friend is dragging me to Gozo and we're already on the ferry. We're on the ferry at Chikewa. Come and show your face because you're the one that is carrying me to Gozo. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
What are the things that we even said that we're going to do?
Firstly, wait, I have a screenshot of it.
We're going to the Citadel
And then the church.
So we're still waiting for our ferry to move, and we're looking for sun because someone didn't bring jackets and I didn't wear shoes. Okay, no, this is it. That's one bus.
So, but we have to take the one
We're in Camino. Sorry, I said Camino. I keep saying Camino. We're in Gozo. Yeah, trying to get the bus now to take us into the city. Having food. Yeah, I've eaten today, but she has not eaten. So what do you think about Gozo?
Okay, so my first impression about Gozo looks way calmer than Malta and less populated as well.
Yeah.
It's a bit brighter here. Yeah. Than in Zebuch. So yeah. But anyways, we've just seen a tip of it, so maybe let me not judge a book by its cover. We'll just wait first to yeah.
Becky has taken me where I don't know. Yeah. Don't worry, we'll soon get there. I think it's just that the map is a bit confusing. But you know what? That's the Citadel, Sha. This thing that we're looking at. Yeah. That's the Citadel.
Like maybe on Google probably has the same flag.
No. But I just think so.
And wait, maybe. Is that it?
Yeah. I think
Sure.
so.
Because look at the hills. So how are you supposed to stand there and be able to see the entire city?
From there or from the top of the church?
From the top of this is it the city, the old city?
Wait, we won't get lost. Let me ask this guy. Hello. Hello. Hi. Please, how do I get to Citadel from here?
Yeah.
Which one is the Citadel?
Here, you see?
Oh, okay.
When you go and you go.
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. We're here.
You people,
So it's still far, maybe right up.
my guide, close her map. We finally found the Citadel and we are climbing up. because it's, I think it's the highest point of Gozo.
The reason why Malta have like the small roads is because it was built for during the war, so that how can I put it? Just in case you're being chased, you can easily just navigate and come with horses and things like that. They cannot really run with their horses on a straight line, and that's why it was very small. And also the marks that you see on the walls of people's houses, those are like bullet marks, and they just decided to leave it in order to just
For
they
history.
like for history
Sake. It's a handheld bronze cannons. Still.
the waters.
Just try. Did you die? What are you? As we're here for a little break, out of the ticket we paid for, we have a movie to watch. They said the cinema is closed at 2 o'clock, so we have to wait till 2. That's like 30 minutes or 25 minutes, and then we can go in there. And then from there, we're going to go to the Basilica. So she's very interested in the Basilica. I mean, I don't know what's in the Basilica. Oh. They say you can see all of Gozo from there. I wonder, like, did we not see Gozo from up here? It's not enough.
No, it has like this green grass, like open landscape, which is actually very attractive.
No, Allah. My brother was here. It's like we paid for the whole cinema. Oh.
Clear days, a cluster of islands were visible from and settled here about 7,000 years ago.
We are lost. We are going where we have no idea. Okay, so this is it. Normally we're supposed to be going here. And then the bus driver said in few minutes time he will take us back here because we missed the place we were supposed to stop. And here we are. And look at this is a map. Meaning we are like hours away.
No, now it's not up to hours now.
It's not possible. It's not possible. Hours by walk.
See, we have gone back, friends. Wait, we're on track. We're on track.
Okay now.
God will help us today. Hey.
I don't trust them.
Wait, just relax first.
When is the port closing? We have to keep that in mind. Else we will be stranded here.
That can never happen, don't worry. Finally got to the bus, to the correct bus after 1 hour of going around in circles. I'm actually so tired.
And the
Huh?
we'll see.
Okay, we have an hour actually.
Yeah.
Finally. This is your church. If I don't see gold inside,
Everybody's like, oh no, this place, like.
which place? I've not heard anybody saying this place. Thank you.
Okay, I did not see this one coming,
We are going to eat it.
but it looks okay.
Finally found something.
Okay, so today was an interesting day. We got lost.
Yeah.
We found our way, and yeah, but so far it was an amazing day. I really had fun, and yeah, hopefully we get to find another attraction
Yeah.
and we make our way there. But
Yeah.
so far the place is very good.
Yeah, some of the attractions that we tried to visit were very far from where we were, and just using the bus was so stressful, honestly. But it wasn't bad. We mostly went to churches, but it wasn't bad. And now we're about to get the bus taking us back to the ferry, and we can use the ferry back to Malta.